In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add special light effects on your videos on Kinemaster app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go and add your video on your timeline, and as you can see, mine is already on the timeline here. Now, from here, on this wheel, go ahead and choose this option called Effect or FX. So if you go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have quite a number of effects that you can apply or add on our videos, and most of them are free. So for instance, I'd like to go ahead and add flash effect, and here it is. So I'll tap on it, and then we have quite a number of flash effects that you can choose from on this list. So I'd like to go ahead and tap or select this, and look at that, it has been added on our video. Now, if I go ahead and play this video, you will realize that the flash effects has been added, but it has been added for a very short period of time. To increase the effects, maybe to cover a larger part of the video or the whole video, just go ahead and tap on the effects timeline, and then you can now drag it to increase the duration or reduce the duration as you wish. And here we go. I can apply it up to that point. Now, if you go ahead and play the video from the beginning, you can see the effects have been added from the beginning up to this point. And look at that. Wow. So that's how you add special or light effects on your videos in Kinemaster. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.